Hello, good afternoon. Yes, can you hear and see teacher well? Okay, that's good. So by the way, I am teacher May. How about you? What's your name? Oh, nice to meet you, Kevin. How are you today, Kevin? Oh, that's great to hear that you're good. So now, since you're all good, then I guess you're all ready to continue this lesson. Alright, so Kevin, can you please help me confirm your book? We have here um this lesson. Can you please read the title? Can only birds fly? Okay, very good. So is it correct? Yes, thank you so much for confirming your book, Kevin. So now let's start this one. Okay, look. Tell me, what do you see in the picture? Yes. Is it a bird or not? Of course. An owl is a bird. Okay, how about the other one? Yes, you're correct. It's a fly. So now let's start our lesson. Here we go. Okay, Kevin, I want you to please use your pen and circle all the animals that you know. Okay, again, circle all of the animals that you know. Okay, very good. All right, thank you so much for that. Now, what's this? It has a long arm and it is smart. What is it? Very good. It's a monkey. Oh, how about that one? It has a black stripes. Yes, you're correct. It's a tiger. How about the big one? It's an it's an elephant. How about the one that has a very long neck? Very good. It's a giraffe. And also we have dog and cats. How about the other one? What is it? This one. Okay, good job. It's a penguin. Very good, Kevin. So teacher will give you 5 stars for that. One, two, three, four, and five. Very good. Now let's proceed. Okay, so we have here a question. Hi there. Are you a bird? The owl says. Yes, I am. Okay, please read that one. Yes, I am an owl. Owls are birds. Very good. So it is a bird. Good job. Now I want you to describe the owl. Okay, it has big eyes. What's the color of the owl? You're correct. It's brown. Now, Kevin, do you know any other animals that has a big eyes? Yes, you're right. It's a tarsier, okay? What's the color of the tarsier? Very good. It is also brown. Have you seen a tarsier before? Oh, I see. Uh-huh. Well, alright. So since we're done with this and you did a great job, of course, teacher has a reward for you. I will give you another 5 trophies. One, two, three, four, and five. Great job, Kevin. Now let's proceed. Okay, again, what's this? Okay, so listen and repeat after me. It's an owl. Okay? We will not say it's a owl because owl it starts with our vowels. Okay? So we have the a, e, I, o, u. So the first letter of the word starts with our vowel. So therefore we will say it as an. Okay? It's an owl. Okay? We will use an. Okay. Understood? Very good. So now let's proceed. Okay, how many owls do you see? We have two. Very good. So since we have two owls, we will say owls. Okay, owls with s. Okay, that's plural. If it's only one, that's owl. We will say owl because it's only one. But that's two. We will say owls. Okay. Very good. So have you seen a real owl before? Mm-hmm. Yes, very good. They live in the forest. Yes, you're correct. Ah, you haven't been there yet. I see. Alright, so now let's proceed. Okay, so please read. Owls are birds. Yes, of course, because they have wings and they can fly. Great job. Okay, so therefore they are what? They are birds. Very good. Alright, let's now proceed. Okay, we have here a game. Okay, look at the owl. What are the missing parts of the owl? Okay, very good. The wings. Okay, now I want you to drag the wings. Okay, and complete it. Good job. It's very easy for you. That's good. Oh, by the way, what's in the basket? Okay, what's in the basket? There are some. There are some. Very good. There are some eggs. Good job. Okay, good job. Kevin, I will give you another 5 stars for that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good. Alright, now let's watch a video, okay? So here we go. Okay, since now we're done watching the video, I have a question. Kevin, can owls fly? Yes or no? Yes is the answer. Why? Because it has a wings. Very good. You're correct. So therefore, owls are birds. Yes, you're correct. Okay, now let's proceed. Okay, now we have here. Please read this one in a complete sentence. Okay, owls are birds. Very good. Owls have got wings. Okay, and lastly, owls can fly. Very good, Kevin. Okay. So now, Kevin, since this is the last part of the lesson, so we will continue the next one on the other day, okay? Or next time. Or your next teacher will continue the one with you next time. All in all, you did a great job in our class for today, Kevin. Don't forget what I have taught you, okay? So always remember to use an instead of a every time the word starts with our vowels. Okay, can you tell me what our vowels? We have a, e, i, and u. Okay, that's correct. So all in all, you did a great job. Thank you so much. You're so well behaved, and thank you also for your full cooperation, Kevin. Again, thank you so much for having me as your teacher this afternoon. See you again next time. Goodbye for now. Thank you.